Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna do like a first impression review of Natasha Denona's My Dream Palette. So I just had a birthday and one of my very good friends gave this to me as a gift. So excited, and I wanted to try it out for the first time with you guys and see how it goes and what we think. If you're new here, hit subscribe down below. I do all things beauty, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So let's get into it. This is super exciting. The packaging is so nice. I love this. So let's open it up. I did open it up already to look at it. Woo! I've never had a full-size Natasha eyeshadow palette. I've only had like the mini ones. And this is so nice. Oh my gosh. This is so nice. I love the feel of it. I love the black splatter on the nice nude palette. Let's open her up. Ooh, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So I did like swatch one or two of them. This is so freaking pretty. So you get 15 eyeshadows in this palette. This is absolutely stunning. Comes with a nice mirror. I'm gonna take that little film off. Nice big mirror. I love that. That mirror is so nice. So it looks like there's two shimmers, and then there is about 2 or 3 that are more chunkier glitter, and then 2 shades are the duochrome shades. So this retails for $69 on both Ulta and Sephora. So I'm gonna swatch some of the shades with you guys. Okay, so I'm not the best at swatching, but okay. So the first 2 on my hand are the duochrome, and I can't tell if I'm focused or not. And there's some shimmers there. So pretty. I think my favorite color is that green purple duochrome. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. So I am gonna do an eyeshadow look today with you guys. I'm gonna just kind of zoom it through. I'm not gonna prime my lids with any eyeshadow primer just to see how they wear and how it goes. I usually do, but for this video I'm not, so we can get like a full test. That way, if you don't always use eyeshadow primer, we can see if they last pretty long. I don't have anything on my lids. I did put face makeup on. We're just gonna dive in. I think I'm gonna do something more on the mauve neutral side just because I do have get together later, so I don't want my eyes to be too like crazy. And then I'll come back and just talk about how they applied and what my thoughts are. So let's dive into it. I'm gonna take the shade Nurture, just start blending that all over my lid and into my crease. Big fluffy brush. Wow, that's really pigmented. Just setting it as our base. I might have to use this, so bear with me. This is applying really nice. This is a really nice base color. It's super neutral. Not too much fall in the pan yet with this shade. It's good. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a smaller, fluffier brush just to start something more into the crease. Let's see, what do I wanna do? This Carpe Diem looks really pretty. I'm gonna go in with Carpe Diem and just going into my crease and more onto the corner. Super pigmented, I love that. Don't mind my super glued brush. I love this brush. Didn't want to throw it away. I need to get some new eyeshadow brushes. So if you know of a good set, let me know down below. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with the shade Babies. It is a shimmery sheen rose tone color. I'm gonna use that on like a flat eyeshadow brush to really press on that pigment. This is gonna go on our inner corner, and most of our eyelid definitely has a really silky texture to it. Very nice. Definitely love mauve rose tones. I had way too much caffeine today, and that's why my hands are really shaky. It's going on really nice and smooth. Such a beautiful color. Actually, I'm gonna try my finger on this side real quick to see what we can get with the finger. About the same, I would say. I like the brush usually because I can get more precision. Then I'm gonna go in with the Spontaneous. Same kind of brush, but I'm gonna put this on the inner corner of my eyes to make them pop. Ooh, wow. It's very pigmented, very beautiful. It's like a light champagne color. Very pigmented, love that. It's great for an inner corner. So I'm gonna deepen the outer corner. I think I'm gonna go in with Familia, this darker warm brown. Actually, you know what? No. Yes. No. Yes, no. Or Aspiration. No, I'm gonna go in with Familia, this darker warm brown shade. Just a little bit in the outer corner to deepen that V. Wow, that is really nice and pigmented. These shadows allow a lot of precision where you place them and blend them. There's some shadows that just can get really muddy and go all over the place, but it's really staying where you place it. Super blendable. Now I'm just going to take a clean blending brush and blend the edges. My brushes are shedding. Okay, so I'm going to go back in with Carpe Diem, that first like peachy rose tone shade. Pop it underneath. And then going back in with that brown Familia, buffing that on the outer corners of the lower lash line. Okay, so that is all I'm gonna do. I think it turned out so pretty. They blended so well, and it's just turned out to be this beautiful, rosy, pretty eye. This would be such a pretty look for a wedding. I really didn't have like any fallout, which is so nice. So what I'm gonna do next, just to thicken my lash line, instead of using like eyeliner, I'm gonna go in with Aspiration on like a pencil brush, buff that on my lash line, just like the outer third, just to darken my lash line so I don't have to use any liner. You can use the black if you want something a little more darker or dramatic. Kind of taking whatever excess is on that brush, just on the outer third down here as well. Last thing I'm gonna do is a little trick I like to do to make my lash line look fuller, or if you're wearing like falsies, to make like it blend even more seamlessly. I take a black gel or whatever eyeliner you like to use in your waterline. So I take black and go into the upper waterline. Also make sure it's waterproof, obviously. I used to never do this because I hated putting this in my eyeball, but I've gotten used to it. And I prefer the gel ones just because they're creamier and smoother and less irritating to my eye. You can also put it in the lower lash line, but I think I want to keep it a little more brighter for today. So here's a close-up. Okay guys, so final thoughts, first impression, I absolutely love this palette. I'm so excited about it. Like she says, it's her dream palette. I feel like you can do everyday looks, and you also can do like glam night looks. You can really smoke it out because there's some deeper shades. You can do like a warm, sultry look with the warmer tones, the golds. You can do a gold look, and you can also do like mauve looks. I love mauve with like the darker plum and the rose colored. And then you can also do a really neutral color with Nurture, which was such a pretty neutral color, and Serenity down here could really keep it nice, cool tone and neutral. So right there you have 3 color tones that you can work off of this, and it also has a really nice black. I didn't try this black out. I will do another video doing a more intense glam look with this palette coming up. Definitely want to try Vision, that duochrome. They swatched really nicely, and I'm excited to try this out even more. I think this would be a great traveling palette because, again, you get all those versatile looks. Lots of different colors. You get that true black, and you also get everyday colors like Nurture, Carpe Diem, Unity, and glam colors. Like I said, I'll do another super glam look coming up. Now, I haven't tried out any of her other palettes. They all look so pretty. I really want to. But if you're looking for an everyday staple palette, I think this would be a great option. I know it's pricier, but they are definitely a formula that is worth the money, at least in this palette. I think it is so beautiful. I love the packaging. It is amazing. That is my thoughts on this. If you guys tried any of her other palettes that you love, let me know down below. This has definitely got me hooked on her eyeshadows. Keep an eye on my channel for another look coming out shortly, doing something more intense and glam and trying out those duochromes. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe down below if you want to see more beauty videos by me. And thank you guys for watching. Bye!